Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're here back again, if you're new, welcome. I hope you like the video and I hope you'll stick around and press like and subscribe. I had a mental blank then. as you do. Today we are going to unbox the Witch's Oracle. If you can see that, I've got all lights going everywhere. And now this is by, I hope I get this right because I'm not good with international names. Her name is Jena Dellagrottaglia. Dellagrottaglia? Is that how you say it? Please, if I've said it wrong, tell me in the comments below. But yeah, Jena Dellagrottaglia. And it says that Jena draws on her Cucina Strega, which is kitchen witch, heritage in this captivating spell deck. Harness the power of the elements, with every draw revealing the essence of your witchy world. Pulsing with energies of herbs, spices, and oils, each beautiful card serves as a key to unlock the secrets of natural magic. Kitchen Witch Oracle is about mindfully taking everyday ingredients and imbuing them with the intention and love to create spells, oils, and potions for healing, which is what I'm interested in. Well-being and manifesting your hopes and dreams. It's got 36 cards and a guidebook. I was attracted to this picture and I thought, oh, that looks interesting. And when I read all that, I thought, you know what, I'm going to take a chance. So I haven't opened it yet, so I'm going to do the unboxing right now. Get my little witch knife, which I keep on my altar. See if I can undo this without killing it too much. Right. I think I've got it. By George, I think I've got it. Right, get rid of the rubbish. Aha. It's quite a sturdy box. It's not flimsy at all, which is good because I hate the flimsy ones where they just feel like paper because they just fall apart. But this is... Times change swiftly, but our traditions stay timeless, colliding old with new. I like it. I like it. So, yes. The Witch Oracle. Okay. First off, it comes with a coloured book. A lot of them do it in black and white, but this is nice. It's got some nice pictures in there, and yeah, it's got ingredients, instructions, and I don't know if you can see any of that, but yeah, so that looks like a nice little book to look at. The usual rock pool paraphernalia. Okay, the cards are a bit bigger than I thought they'd be. They're gold lined, or if you, is that gold lined, gold flecked, gold trimmed? Yeah, just take the paper off. I like the back of the card. It's got keys and teacups and eyes and you name it. I like that. A bee, look at the bee. Is that a bee? Yeah, it's a bee. I like the bee. Okay. So the cards, I think, are a bit big for my hand. Not as big as, I've got this crystal oracle and like the cards are like giant and I can't shuffle them. They just go everywhere. I might be giving those away because I only got little hands, and that's what I like. Like the Healthy Witch Oracle that I've got here is really good because it's sort of my size. This one is a bit bigger, not much, but a bit. You can see at the bottom it's a bit bigger, but that's okay. We'll work with that. I'll show you some of the pictures. I won't go through all of them because I think that would just take too long, but I'll show you some of the pictures that have struck me. Oh, I like this one. Rosemary infused oil for... Is that focusing? I can't see if that's focusing or not. I hope it is. Get the gist of the picture anyway. Winter simmer pot. I love the colours she uses. The colours are really nice. I'll just do a few of them because they're really thick cards too. They're not flimsy. They're not going to fall apart in a few seconds, which I really like. I really like that because some cards just bend and crack. And yeah, Florida water. I just like the drawings, the pictures. I think the colours that she's used are really, really good. Stress reliever oil. Sorry, my candle that I've got burning down here is reflecting. Let's see if it'll... There is chill out spill. And of course the one that drew me to the deck. I love cat's eyes. I think they're great. Let's see if there's any more. I like this one. It's nice. Just going through them just to see if there's any that really appeal to me. As I said, the card stock is really good. I really enjoy that because, yeah, I hate flimsy ones, especially when you pay money for them that, you know, you weren't intending to. I took Caitlin out to spend some money for her birthday and ended up buying myself some things. So, yeah, we all do that, don't we? The drawings are just so nice. I like the drawings. They really appeal to me, as I said. Let's see. Yeah. So let's have a look at what have I done with the book? What have I done with the book? Now you got me singing. Oh, jeez. Okay. It tells you how to prepare your magical kitchen, prepping to use the cards. It's got what all the cards mean, of course. It's got about the author. There's the author there. A lovely little witchy hat on. Yeah, so I'm going to really enjoy using these cards. Let's see if I can shuffle them first. I'd have to shuffle them this way, I think, because if I shuffle them that way, I can't hold them because my hands are too small. So, yeah, I'm gonna have to get used to shuffling them. Shuffly, shuffly, shuffly. I haven't consecrated these yet, so We'll pull one anyway, won't we? Let's pull one, shall we? All right. Stopping a curse. That's the one I pulled. So, stopping a curse. As a channel of universal love, I harness its power to bring forth positive transformations in this world, dispelling any negativity that may seek to harm or curse others. Dispelling any negativity. Harness the power to bring forth transformations in the world. Speaks volumes. I think this world needs it. It needs transformation. The way it's going at the moment. Don't you feel it's a bit off? Yeah. But enhance those positive powers to make change. But yeah, so this is the Kitchen Witch Oracle. I'm not going to pronounce the author's name again. You can hopefully... Nope, you can't read it there. Oh my goodness. This camera, well, it's an iPhone. What do you expect? It doesn't really focus on things that well, but you get the drift. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed the little video just on my new deck. I probably will do one on my new diary. Yeah, let's do that as well. Catch you next time. Have a great time. Bye. Hello again. I thought I would do a review of the Kitchen Witch Oracle. In my beautiful greenhouse, I've got incense going. It's so nice out here. Yeah, it's just lovely. And as my husband is a little bit not well at the moment, he's inside resting, I thought I'd come out to my greenhouse to do this review. Yeah, so I did do a couple of little card pulls during the week just to see what they were like. I also did I did the actual spell that was on them. I kind of like enjoyed doing that. These cards, they're not what I thought they'd be. I was looking for like more of a traditional, because it was Jena Dellagrottaglia, I was expecting a more traditional old style kitchen witchery. Some of these have got ingredients in that I was expecting something from the pantry, if you know what I mean. Like, you just go into your pantry and get all these ingredients and you make something up. But, like, and for the most time, it has got a lot of kitchen stuff in there. But it also has things like lemon balm essential oil, or ylang ylang, however you say that. Ylang ylang essential oil, rose essential oil, cedar essential oil. Those oils are so expensive that the average poor witch can't afford to have them in her apothecary. She makes her own oils. I have got some rose oil in soaking, infusing at the moment. But, you know, I think a lot of these are the more modern standard, which is a shame. I mean, it's still good. Don't get me wrong. I still love it. I still love the pictures, but also I don't think you can use these on a daily basis like you can with like the Earth Wisdom Oracle cards or the Healthy Witch Oracle cards, because I mean, you can come in every day and go, okay, tell me what I need to know. Tell me how to get through this day. And you can pull a card out and it'll just go, aha. Same with the Healthy Witch. You can go, what do I need to concentrate on today? I did this on Friday and I've been feeling a bit off in the stomach, and it said I had to concentrate on my liver. Hell to the yeah. Yep. But these ones, they're not something, they'd have to be ones that I pull out for like a special occasion sort of thing. Like if I had a particular thing that I wanted to do, like, I don't know, what do I want to do? I want to retire. So I did pull one out for, I'll see if I can find it. I did the stress reliever oil. That was a little good. I only had a little bottle though. But even in that one, they wanted you to put lemon balm oil in. I didn't have any, so I put lemon balm in. Improvise, I say. Improvise. Now, where was the other one I did? Just sing amongst yourselves there. I bet you it's going to be the last one I look at. It's always the last one you look at, isn't it? No, wasn't that one? Oh. Maybe it was this one, New Job Arrays. Let me have a look at the book. Let me have a look at the book. New Job Array. It was that one. It was this one that I pulled out. Okay. And it says, are you stuck in a rut or feeling underappreciated at work? Well, my boss appreciates me, so I don't feel underappreciated there, but I am stressed out about work. And I do feel like I'm in a bit of a rut. So I did the little spell in here. And yeah, we'll see if that works. But this one was easy because I had all the ingredients. But yeah, there's some in here that, you know, sometimes I think you can go a bit wayward with these things. And I think you really need to listen to your intuition to work it out. You can replace some of the ingredients in here with things that are of the same ilk, but not necessarily an oil, like I did with the lemon balm. Yeah, it's, excuse me, berry tea, very good for you. Oh dear. Anyway, I do like Kitchen Witch Oracle It's not what I thought it would be. Yeah, I love the artwork, love the cards, they're very good, but yeah, not what I thought it would be, and not probably one that I would pull out on a daily basis, other than my beautiful Earth Wisdom cards here. I love Earth Wisdom cards. These were the first ones I ever got, and I still use them quite regularly. I wouldn't say on a daily basis, because I'm not a daily doer type thing at the moment. Daily doer type thing? That sounds stupid, doesn't it? I don't practice witchcraft daily at the moment, is what I meant to say. I do it when I can, or when the mood takes me. Sometimes I'll do it first thing in the morning to set the intention for the day. Sometimes I'll do it last thing at night to bring on the new day. Sometimes I am too exhausted to do anything. So yeah. And the card I pulled today is Divine Connection. You see that? Because we all have a divine connection. Whether we tune into that or not, the divine is always there for us and will always guide us. Anyway, that's my review. I hope you liked the video. I hope you'll probably tell me about your oracle cards. Which ones are your favorites? Which ones do you really resonate with? As I said, I really resonate with Earth Wisdom. My healthy witch ones are, I've got incense ash on them. My healthy witch ones are basically new, so I'm still getting used to those. But yeah, I will keep playing with these. And see what happens. I might even do another review and go, I was totally wrong. I love them more than life itself. You get my drift. Anyway, my lovely witches, it's Sunday afternoon. I'm sitting in the sun in my greenhouse. This is where all my magic happens, in my greenhouse. It's just a lovely day. And I wish you well. I hope you have a fantastic week ahead. Getting incensed to death here. Yeah, and I'll see you in my next video, whether it be a gardening one or a witchy one. Blessings to you all. See ya.